In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells and wrap text in Excel. We'll take this step by step so you can follow along easily, even if you're fairly new to Excel. By the end, you'll know how to combine cells to create clean headings, and how to make long text fit neatly inside a cell without spilling over into the next column. Let's start with merging cells. Imagine you have a title that you want centered across several columns at the top of your sheet. First, click and drag to select the cells you want to merge. For example, you might select cells from column A to column D on the same row. Once the cells are highlighted, go to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. In the Alignment group, you'll see a button that says Merge and Center. Click that. Excel will combine all the selected cells into one larger cell and automatically center the text inside it. If you'd rather merge without centering, you can open the drop-down next to Merge and Center and choose options like Merge Across or Merge Cells. Just be aware that if more than one of the selected cells already contains text, Excel will keep only the upper left value and discard the rest. So it's a good idea to make sure only one cell has content before merging. Now let's talk about wrapping text. This is especially useful when you have a long sentence or label that you want to stay within a single column. Instead of stretching the column really wide, you can wrap the text so it appears on multiple lines inside the same cell. To do this, click the cell or select a range of cells that contains the long text. Again, go to the Home tab and look in the Alignment group. This time, click the Wrap Text button. Immediately, Excel will adjust the row height and drop the text onto multiple lines within that cell, making everything easier to read. You can still adjust the column width afterward, and Excel will keep the text wrapped to fit that new size. A quick tip: you can use both features together. For example, you might merge a row of cells to create a wide header, then apply wrap text to make a longer title fit nicely on two lines. Also remember, if you change your mind, you can unmerge cells by selecting the merged cell, clicking Merge and Center again, and Excel will split it back into the original cells. That's all you need to start merging cells and wrapping text in Excel to create cleaner, more professional-looking spreadsheets.